Hey guys, been doing live trading for y'all in the room. Again, this is, let me see if I can get over here and just tap some FOMO at Telegram, and on the Happy Profits, the right place to learn how to place the right trade, just a long trader only. I do know when the short's coming because I see it already, that's when I'm getting out. I just don't like to manage trades too long, so I think that's part of my issue. But anyway, just want to show you some tools that you might not be using properly. We're going to go through about 3 or 4 of them real quick today, and hopefully you're going to see this one. And we're going to look at VRAX right here, and we're just looking at a lot of random ones. So VRAX right here, you would have gotten told right here at 30%. You get to cut Neon at 30%. Rev B was already there telling you it's going down. COSM is telling you up gains. VRAP right here is breaking down, and then you're just getting a lot of these notifications that if it is, and let's just look at the gainers list right next to it right here. You have 30, 40, 40, 60, and this is just current, 70, 100, and 100. So currently you have, and this was up at 200% a little while ago, you currently have 7 over 30% that you would have been notified if you never looked at a gainers list, did a search and all that, and it's just right here in Telegram, real quick for you, easy to get. That's the first one. I think we're going to end up doing a package deal in September. And if you don't like it, it costs a lot of money to pay for these services. There's a lot of data, the guy who programmed it, and the information on here is killer. It's telling you if it's below VWAP, so hopefully you'll stop looking at it. Or maybe that's one you're looking to recap on the top. VRAX, we're about to go over that as well. So that's one. And then the next one I'm going to pull up is right here, Halt News. This is another one. So we have Halt News. So this is what got me in this trade right here. And I ran it up about another $1.50. So right here, yesterday I got a lot of TTMP, but we're just going to go to today. We're going to care about what's it now. So right here, it told you VRAX halted once, GDC halted once, COSM halted once, Rev B halted once, HPI, and it told you all these ones that halted. VRAX was the first halt, and here's the second halt. So basically, just that means a lot of people's looking at it. You still got to learn how to trade it. Be glad to show you some lessons how to do that privately, or we can do a group class. But the biggest thing is just showing you a lot of halts that you could have got in. If it halted one, and then it halted a second time, there's definitely a lot of high volatility on the stock, and if that's what you like for momentum stocks, that's what you're looking at. I'm going to tell you that it popped up, and I'm going to show you what I just got. So right over here, VRAX halted up, and then it pulled back. Here was a halt. That's that little dash right here, and it halted up and came back down, fine with me, but it showed continuation because these two lows are higher than one another. So there's still a higher high and a higher low going on. And right here, it starts proving itself one more time, one more time right there. So I definitely got a lot of trades. Should have been in on that trade as well, but I got plenty of trades on this stock. It clearly follows my depth plan right here on this break right here, and that's another 30-cent move. So those are just 2. I'm gonna pull up one more, Happy Gainers right here. And I'm going to open that in a new window, and we're going to review this too, right here. So when if something does come up today, like this was one of the halts, it comes over here and tells you every bit of that information of why, and also gives you the link, so you know exactly why you're getting in. The cash need is high, and so they're just showing you everything that you're going to need to know in a quick couple seconds. There's a short interest, they're already telling you how many shorts are there, institute stuff that would take you at least 10 minutes to look at, and then you probably already missed the trade. So just want to show you that. Neon, that's the other one, and it shows you all the stats you need right now instead of looking somewhere else for it so desperately, so quick. Let me see if we got one more. That's the gainers, that's the other one, and the halt, and I'm going to see if we have one more. I don't think we do. I think those are the main 3. So let me go ahead and get out of this. But I just got a lot of this stock right here because of the alert right here. So big move, captured as much as I could of it, but I'm having help with things that I have started to program with some traders that are good programmers right here. I'm telling you, If you're shorting, this is a great one. Hey, it's below VWAP, so start looking for the VWAP kiss. If it's below VWAP, maybe you can look for rebounds of that. Look, max volume red. That usually is an indicator of a possible continuation or a start of a short. So all these things are given to you the whole time. SDIG, you go, wow, that's amazing. SDIG at 5, and then you go over here and go, oh, it was at 30%. You mean I missed 30 to 70%? Oh, did I miss 70% to 100%? Yes, you did. So try to have some alerts if you need them. I'll be glad to sign them up for the rest of August. And then we're going to start charging a fee for all 3, or if you just want one, it's probably going to be $250 a year. And then if you want all 3, it's probably going to be $500 a year. But I think these are a very crucial thing. That's why I've been working on them, just to get where they need to be going. And I will shoot a quick recap real quick on top of this real quick. So we have VWAX still running in front of you right here, all because you got this alert right here, and it's just still trending. So you have these 2 lower lows, and these show you that continuation is coming. I like when it goes under and back up. That's a little tactic I use. Here's Rev B. So we just took some trades on this as well, going up on this one. This one never proved itself. And then right over here is if you start seeing platforms form, and now it's just deciding whether, and this is the 200, this is tell you if it's a bullish day for it temporarily, or if it's a shorting day. So if you look at that, that's a very good indicator, and VWAP is a very good indicator. I think VWAP only shows up on the 15. So right here, a lot of VWAP breakouts and over the 200 the whole time. So very good confluent area of what you're looking at. SFFL, that's that move. It really bounced off the 200 and went back up. So clearly you see the double top here, and now you start seeing the head and shoulders right here for it, our inverted version, and it goes. So as long as the price is right, I don't like penny stocks because you can't calculate how many shares I have to do it. GDC had some good moves as well today. Easy breakups. That was just me showing a couple of these top candles for a while, so you didn't jump in on this trade or this trade, and you waited properly for the 3rd try. So let me go ahead and show you that real quick. If I do talk a little too fast. So here's 1 try. Here's the 2nd try. But now I like what I see. I actually see it squeezing a little bit. And then when I see the squeeze, it tries for the high day and just keeps going into a halt as well. And all these things, right when you get there, it's going to pull back. I have indicators when to stop buying for a bit. And look, you waited 25 minutes and then boom, you're in a perfect another trade. Now, if you want to hold and lose some of your profits, do that. I don't personally do it. I take profit here, and then I'll take profit here, and then I'll take one more set of profits here, and I'll actually trade on the backside. So if you do watch a video, and I think YouTube, you can slow down my voice if I'm too fast. Just wanted to point out a couple recaps today and some of those alert things. If not, if you just need a simple one, you can always just go to Webull Gainers. That's what I start out with, but when I'm kind of walking around and I'm not in the mood to keep trading, that's when I look. But if you really want also a killer strategy, I have a very, very good strategy that works a super high percentage as long as you're a little bit disciplined. That's part of it, but not really. I have really good. So like right here, when somebody's looking at buying a continuation of a breakout, I have 3 indicators telling you buy, meaning goodbye, not buy. And you're telling yourself, oh, I missed all these moves. Well, that's what you did. And what you need to learn is how to get in on these moves to go up, okay? And I'll be glad to help you with that. Y'all have a great day, and I'm going to stop recording this. And tomorrow morning, if we do, we're going to start a little early because I have to get on a plane at the exact same time the open is. But I will give you my best effort in the meantime in front of that. Thank you.